Ed.com. So briefly, guys, I want to talk to you all about the best stop loss strategy to use when you're trading Forex. So what is it? Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with a stop loss is what you put in place in one of your trades uh, when when you get a drawdown on the trade and you want to stop the trade from losing a certain amount of money, a certain amount of pips. You don't want it to keep going on and on and on and on. So you put a stop loss in place to stop the loss that's occurring for you in that specific trade. So it'll cut you off like I said, you pick what amount of pips that you want it to stop at, and then from there it'll stop you out of the trade once that number is hit. And it's very, very smart to use a stop loss. There are some traders who do not use a stop loss. A lot of it is based on because why when you use one is, well, some people are very, very skilled and they can be in a trade, and they're going to expect a certain amount of drawdown, and whatever strategy they're utilizing, they know the trade is going to turn back and go back into profit for them. So they prefer not to use a stop loss. Some people don't use it because it can be a part of it is greed, and you still are confident that the trade is going to turn around, even if you don't have all of the confirmations. You're just hoping and wishing that it does. And then depending on your strategy, you may be scalping, which in a situation to where if you're scalping, you might be trying to get 5, 10, 20 something, pips, something like that, depending on how many pips you're trying to get. And that drawdown again may come first, and then you don't want to get stopped out of that trade. But at the end of the day, in my opinion, guys, it's very, very important, very, very critical to use a stop loss, because you can't predict what the market is going to do, and you can look up to where, okay, you might be, draw down, you might be 10, 15 pips, and next thing you know, you're at 20 pips, you're at 30 pips, and then it can be 100 plus pips, and then boom, that can cause you to lose a trade. That can cause you to blow an account, and that can cause a lot of problems. How do I know? Because I've been there, I've done it, where I didn't use a stop loss, and that's one of the worst things I've done for me, my personal opinion, just for me, and it's led to me blowing some accounts and obviously losing some trades. So I do use a stop loss now all the time when I'm trading. It makes life so much more comfortable. It makes things that much easier, and then I'm trading proper lot sizes and certain amount of pips. So for me, the stop loss strategy that I use, that I've been taught and I utilize, and it varies from person to person, guys, is that I risk 2 to 3%, no more than 2 to 3% of my account, and I utilize a stop loss of a 30 pip stop loss, and which I think is kind of common in the for a lot of people. Some people do 40 pips, so it just varies. Some people do 10, but I think a good benchmark you may see from others is a 30 pip stop loss. And like I said, we're risking 2 to 3% of my account. So if I do lose a trade, boom, I'm at a good risk to reward ratio with my stop loss. So been working great for me. That's what I utilize. May not be for you, but for those of you who are new and looking for a way to go and want to learn Forex, that's a good benchmark to start it. All right. So with that being said, guys, I want to share that with you all really quickly, not too long. Hope you all did receive some value from what I shared here with you. And if you don't know a lot about stop loss, guys, and you want to learn Forex, you want to learn stop loss, you want to learn what a take profit is, all the ins and outs of Forex, and want to know if Forex trading is for you guys, then you need to position yourself to take advantage of an online an educational platform that can definitely teach you how to trade Forex the right way. So if you want to find out more about that, simply click the link below this video or go to tradewithed.com for more information. With that being said, hope you all once again did receive some value from this video, and I will talk to you all later. Take care and have a great day.